All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Nissan Sentra. It is the SV model, this beautiful black with black interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera. Only 8,000 miles of this vehicle. That's the ball minimum damage. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing. So this fender here, I see some fish eyes. It's quite a few fish eyes. See, yeah, there you go. You can see some right here on the glare. All right. So this one here is going to need some sanding. Some of you knows what sanding means. That's what it means. A wet sand. Here's your front hood. Front fender. I'm sorry. Your front hubcap. Tire thread is 8/32. This door looks good. This rear door does have a dent right here. PDR work, less than an inch. Your quarter looks good. Rear driver's hubcap looks good. 8/32 on your tire thread back there. Your hood, no holes, no dings, dents, anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Obviously your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. That's working. AC controls right down below. Backup camera, pow. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Mileage of 8,840. Turn on the lights. Open up the trunk. Boom. Open it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have a armrest with cup holders. Rear bumper looks good. Deck lid looks good. Here's what your trunk space looks like. Pretty nice. Do have a spare tire here with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. This fender, this quarter here looks good. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. Your tire thread at 8/32. This door looks good. Here's your rear passenger seat. The other side of it, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front door here looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. This fender looks good, and here's your front passenger hubcap. And tire thread is at 8/32. Lights are working, things are running. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Nissan Sentra SV model with 8,000 miles. If you have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy betting.